What's up, everyone? It's Jermaine back with another apartment tour video. I'm here with Charles.
Hi.
And he's gonna show me around. We are at 737 Post.
Yes, 737 Towers up here in Lower Nob Hill, Tenderloin, in that middle range.
Mm-hmm. So we're just gonna check out a couple apartments here. This is I believe this is a 1-bedroom. How many you got to show us?
This is one of like 3 or 4 today.
Okay, super. Let's go check it out.
Go after you go get first views.
So here we go. We got the kitchen, which I always have to do my famous cabinet test. Hey, they don't slam. That's good. It's a cool kitchen. You can.
Little appliances. We got some granite countertops here, and this is our luxury model. So we do have some wine racks up here as well. Some dark cabinetry gives it that nice luxury finish.
I love this large counter space because you can get away with not having a table.
You can entertain, you can cook, it's perfect.
Cool. So here we have it. This is a shower, a bathroom. No, not a bathroom. This is a tub and a toilet.
Yes.
And then this is a sink here. So that's pretty cool. This is kind of this is like a studio, right? Or 1-bedroom?
A 1-bedroom. The biggest difference that makes it feel like a little funky is the sink in the room. It is because this is an old building that used to be a hotel. So back in the 80s, when it was built, that was kind of the first vibe of it.
Huh. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all too something else. It's really quiet back here. This is not on the street, so you don't have to worry about the street noise. Like this is a really, really quiet unit. And then there's plenty of closet space, because I know closet space is like a big thing. People want a place for all their shoes and their clothes. And there's more cabinet space here. Wow, this is really, really roomy. Cool. So we got, this one also has a balcony.
The balconisha.
Wow. Oh, and there's a courtyard down here. And this, like I said, it faces out on the courtyard, not on the street. Because sometimes if you're on the street, it can be a little noisy with buses and traffic and stuff.
Yeah, for sure. San Francisco.
But it's super quiet over here. All right, so we got a gym. That's pretty cool.
Standard things.
Mm-hmm.
Come here and feel the burn. Not too much. No Peloton, but you definitely still feel the burn.
Yeah. It's always nice to have, access to weights.
An option, yeah.
And a TV. All right, we got another unit here. Whoa, wow. This is really big. I hear an echo. We got the kitchen. Once again, these large countertops. Like, you can just come in and just, cook there and like have your computer there. Like, I love those, like places that have these amenities. Love the fridge, stainless steel, it's beautiful. The cabinets, do the cabinet test. It passes. And then this here is a 1-bedroom?
Yeah, 1-bedroom with an open floor plan. So there's no rooms where the doors. Is this a studio? So 1-bedroom, just alternative, right, without doors. So it's more open. It's like an open face burger.
This almost reminds me of like a loft. It's very open,
No doors.
Yeah, no doors, just open.
Just vibes.
Yeah, and it also has a sprinkler system too. That's something I like to point out.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's just a cool thing to have in the city.
Just can't see that.
Yeah. All right. This is a cool one. Now I'm just curious, how much does this one go for?
This one's currently going for 25.
25, and then the square footage, because I always like to say that.
Yeah, that matters. So this square footage is 426.
426, and then the other unit, how many square footage was that one?
That one is 470.
470, and then the price for that one?
That one was priced at 25 as well.
Oh, 25. Okay.
So that's our sweet spot. Our price is just lowered actually. We're at like 28,
Mm-hmm.
27. But I guess no one in the general area was seeing any traffic, so the market lowered itself. So now everyone's at this 25 range, which is kind of a sweet spot for people. And we're offering 1 month off. So one like this I just rented out with the specials advertised over 12 months. The 25 came down to like 23 for 12 months.
Yeah, that's the name of the game. People like to do that. They
Gotta
like
do it. Otherwise,
yeah.
it's like, I mean, you can do the 1 month, and it's like that's a nice life for a month.
Yeah.
Or you can get a sweeter deal and make it last.
So over here, we got the roof area. Now, I knew nothing about this roof area.
Our crown jewel.
Usually, you know, I know something about, like, I know some secrets when I go to a place. But this is all a surprise. Wow, this is really cool. I knew that you guys had the courtyard, and I thought the courtyard was the rooftop. But no, the courtyard is the courtyard.
And this is another amenity that can be rented. You can have a party up here without paying anything.
Oh, wow.
You'll only be responsible for cleaning if there's like a big mess afterwards. But to reserve it is completely free.
Oh, that's really awesome.
We
That's really cool.
we removed a little bit of the paddings because it was raining the other day.
Oh, wow, look at this view. That's a different angle of San Francisco.
And it's really quiet up here randomly. You would think there'd be a lot more kind of commotion going on.
It's this is Gary Street below us.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very quiet up here. Wow.
Surprisingly enough, you get birds too.
Yeah. It's also the winds too. Sometimes the winds make it a lot better. But yeah, this is beautiful.
It's a nice day today. It's a great day to be outside. Honestly, to go to the park.
How many this is the tower here. How big is it? How many stories? 8 stories?
So this one's 17.
17. No, I meant to say 18. I said 8.
No, you're fine.
Yeah.
17 stories on this side, but because of the hill, the other tower is only 60.
Oh, okay, but they look like they're the same height?
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Little slopes.
Huh. All right, we got another unit here. Oh, check this out. This is cool. Is this a studio?
This is a studio.
Oh, really? You guys have studios this high up?
We also have some with balconies when they're available. So those are ones that they go kind of fast.
Oh, wow. I would imagine. Yeah, a balcony in this neighborhood. They're very quick to come by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think people like to do balconies much more in high rises.
No.
So like a lot liability.
Yeah, they liked it a lot in the 70s and 80s.
That was a crazy time.
And then this here is the wow. This bathroom's kind of big. Whoa, whoa.
Space in there.
Oh, okay. So I like this whole bathroom setup. This is kind of cool. Is this kind of like the extra closet, or is this the only? This is the
closet. Oh, there's like a cabinetry. There's like an armoire out there, but this is like the main cabinet.
Oh, yeah. I guess this is a little storage area too. But I get
a little built-in desk.
Yeah, I guess this would be the.
Or maybe like a living closet.
Oh, this is really cool.
No, this one is 326 square feet.
326 square feet.
Yeah, and going for 2,043.
2,043. Wow.
Yeah, with a month deal, so probably around, if you amortize that, 18.
Wow, so this one's cheaper than the other two that we've looked at.
The other two were 1 bedrooms though.
Yeah, they're definitely bigger for sure.
But this one has a better view. And space-wise, it's not bad. You can really make it work.
All right, it didn't pass the cabinet test, but that's okay.
So this one isn't our luxury, it's our standard one. So we're going past the cabinet.
But you know what? That's okay because this one has a really nice view.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Oh, look at this one. I like the color of the floor a lot.
Got real wood feel.
Yeah, the hardwood floor.
Yeah.
Once again, we got similar, kitchen setup. You got, all your stainless steel.
Yeah. The biggest difference with this one versus the others is that this is our standard layout, whereas the others were our luxury. So this is gonna have the darker cabinetry and the darker features, but still one of our nicer ones.
I'm curious, what color was the counter in the other one? I don't remember right
It
now.
was that white granite.
Oh, okay. It's white and gray.
Yeah, it looks like marble.
Oh wow, this is the biggest one.
Definitely get that space in this one for sure.
This is the other tower across. Wow, that's pretty cool. We got a little bit more space inside. Oh, closet. Nice size closet. Bathroom.
And this one's also in that 25 range as well.
Really? This one's like 25 too?
We lowered all of our one. We had to. It was really no traffic. Nobody was coming in.
Yeah, I know the work from home culture. Everyone's moving away now.
Yeah, over it. Over it. If there's no bill attached, people are like, nah, I'm moving to Texas.
Just got back from Tower 737 at 737 Post in San Francisco. Really, really, really cool building. And I had a tour guide to show me around, which was pretty awesome. So I thought I would point out some things about this building since I haven't made an apartment tour video in some time. One really awesome thing about this building that is just something that should not be overlooked when searching for a place is the neighborhood. There is a lot of cool restaurants. There's a lot of cool bars. There's a lot of shops nearby, not too far away from Union Square. So if you're a type of person, you like Union Square, you like to go out and you like the events and like some of the things that happen in Union Square, this place is really close. You are just a couple blocks away from Union Square. There is a lot of public trans nearby. In the past, I reviewed a lot of apartments that were like new and brand new neighborhoods in the city and stuff like that. And this is one that sticks out about this one because the neighborhood is already thriving. There's plenty of action and I really like the location. This is also a rent control building. Some people are, when they're looking for a place in the city, they know that they want to be in the city for 10 years or 15 years or 20 years. So you might want to pick a rent control place, and this is a rent control place. Also, it has a really, really nice view. I love views in the city, especially living in a building, and this is also a building. It also has elevators. It also has a sprinkler system, which is something that's very, very important whenever I'm looking for a place in the city, is if it has a sprinkler system. And it also has lots of parking. If you have a car, they have, they definitely have parking. So this is something you can do. I didn't get the price on parking, but most folks that, move to this neighborhood, you probably don't want a car. But if you do have a car, you might want to check with them on the whole parking scenario. But yeah, I really, really like this place. Probably my favorite unit was the third unit because it was on the 14th floor, and I would rather be on a higher floor with a view, with a much smaller unit versus, a massive unit on the bottom floor with a balcony. That's just me, just to throw it out there. But for now, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to see more apartment tour videos from me, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, see you later. If you're looking for an apartment in San Francisco, let me know down in the comments below. I can help you out.